Hello, myself Rishi Patel, and my mini project is based on parking lot management. So basically, I have built a console-based system which will help in parking lot management. Firstly, I have observed the prerequisites that I needed to mention in the input, which are avail spaces, total spaces, and rows. Then my next step was to define the class vehicle and returning by handling them respective values like car assigned to value 1 and truck to the value 2. So moving to the part 2, I have created a class space under which I have defined functions which works upon adding and removing the vehicles, and it also do the further things like vehicle information and availability spaces by defining them into the functions. Okay, so then I have defined the print row functions and display lot functions, which will help the system to show the customers that where the lots are available. Yes. Moving to the third part, it is about row selection, space selection, which inherits rows as argument. Yes. Then inputting your entries of vehicles by defining the function enter vehicle. Yes. So now moving to the fourth part, it is about calculating the fares. Then defining the method about exiting the lot. Here, by these functions, the fares of the vehicles parked are calculated, and this function is defined to exit the lot. Yes. Uh, Now other two functions like view vehicle are and command handler. So basically this function is made to see whether our vehicles is parked on which lot, and finally the demo mode. Yes, so defining the demo mode function where we would specify the amount of space we have, availability of space, and rows we have. Yes, so let's move towards the output. As you can see, here the spots availability is 19. Now as a vehicle added to the lot, now the motorcycle is added and now spots available are 18. So thus this is the demo mode which we have prepared, that these vehicles are already parked. So now the system will ask us that what we have to do. So according to the menu, suppose we have to park the vehicle, so we'll enter P. Yes. So which is the vehicle type we have to park? Suppose we have to park the truck here. So yes, 2. We will ask that where we have to park. First it will show the empty slots, and suppose I have to park my truck here. Okay, so yes, first the system asks the number plate. Suppose the number of my truck is 2308. Yes, now it will ask where to park. Yes, suppose I have to park my truck here, so it's on the third row, so I'll enter 3 and select the space. So it was 2, right? So here the vehicle added to the lot, it says that my truck is parked on the lot which I want to park, and it has also shown the time that it's 10:40. Now suppose I have to view my vehicle which I have parked. So according to menu I have to type V. Yes. So which vehicle I have to see. So yes, I remember that I have parked it on third row and it was on second column. So yes, this is the vehicle of the type. The type of the vehicle is truck which I parked. The number was 2308. Yes, and entry time was 10:40, which we have done right before a minute, and the date is shown here. So now suppose we have to view the rates, vehicle rate that we have parked the truck. So what is the rate of parking? So according to the menu we will type R. Yes, so here it shows that for car it's 30 rupees per hour, for truck is 45 rupees per hour, and for motorcycle it's 20 rupees per hour. So now we will again see that Here the system shows us other three functions, like we can exit the lot and we can quit the application as well. So now, as we have seen that how to park vehicle, how to view the parked vehicle, and how to see the rates. So now to exit the vehicle, we'll press E as mentioned in the menu. Yes. So what vehicle I have to remove? So yes, I remember it was third row and it was second column. Yes. So here it shows that vehicle removed. Your total for 1 hour is 4.5 bucks. So yes, we can see here that my truck is removed, and again the spots 15 spots are available. So finally, to quit the application, we have to press Q as per defined in the menu. Yes. So this was my application. I hope you like it, and the GitHub link for the code is mentioned below. Thank you.